What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Creek Life. I'm here at one of my favorite spots. It's still winter, but it's 70 degrees outside, and I decided that we're going to try out this spot right here to see if the creeks are turned back on or not. Wish us luck. I'm going to show you guys what we're using today. It's a handmade fishing rod from Indonesia. It is some of the most fun I've ever had fishing in my entire life. It's an absolute blast. You guys have to get you one of these rods. I'll leave a link in description to get these rods. They're handmade in a fishing village in Indonesia, and the guys there are just absolutely amazing. They're some of the nicest people I've ever met. They'll help you out in any way you need, questions about these rods or anything. So here they are. This is a hand-carved gagang, or handle. They're called gagang in Indonesia. This is a river otter that was carved for me. Hope you guys can see it. This is your spool. It's a hand spool. I got it rubber band onto the handle just to hold it. You take this off and use it as a hand spool. Some nice little thread work up here on the handle, and the rod is also handmade. Alright guys, I wanted to show you something about these rods from Indonesia. They're made out of fiber optic material, which is out of telephone lines, and they're some of the most flexible rods you can get. You can literally fold them under and over themselves multiple times and they just flop back out where they're supposed to be. Oh, here we go, fish on. Fish on, finally. What we got? It's a little old baby bluegill. Look at it. Little tiny bluegill. That's our first fish of 2022 in this beautiful location right here. Be free. Sweet, man, that felt good. Even though it was a bluegill. First fish of 2022. Maybe the creeks are turning on, just not a whole lot. Oh gosh. You guys ever get that excited over a bluegill? That was sick. I'm excited. Means the fish are biting. Let's go. Fish on. Second species of the day, if I can get it up here. Striped shiner. 2 species, and it's still winter. This is where I caught my first warping shiner out of this creek. Fish on. Ooh, this feels like a pretty good fish. Oh, it's a bass. No, it's not. It's a striped shiner. Really nice striped shiner. Yeah. Look at that baby. Big striped shiner. These little hooks are surprisingly hard to get out. I might have to put a second sinker on it to get it out further. I don't like having that second sinker because it falls a little too fast. Oh, fish on. This is a little guy, whatever it is. It's a creek chub. I do believe it is a chub. That's our third species, actually, though. Yep, it's a creek chub. Itty bitty, teeny weeny chub. Chubby wubby. You guys want to get an underwater release of this guy? There we go, fish on. Pretty good fish. See what we got. It's another big striped shiner. Another big daddy striped shiner. Up, chill, bro, chill. Be free. Yep, there we go, fish on again. What we got this time? Looks like another creek chub. Yep. Another wee little creek chub. Look at him, ain't he cute? Be free. Time. Maybe we'll hook a big one. Fish on. Fish on, baby, let's go. Striped shiner. Oh. Striped shiner. Stole my maggot. Be free! Dang, boys, we're killing it. Oh, this feels so good, man. Haven't fished all winter. First trip of 2022. First real edited video of 2022. There we go, that was a good cast. Whew. There we go, fish on. Another striped shiner. Oh. It's like we're striped shiner fishing today, guys. Thanks for letting me catch you, buddy. Oh, fish on. Guess what it is, guys? Bet you'll never guess. Striped shiner. Be free. Guess we'll keep going here for a minute. Oh, fish on. It's another shiner. Striped shiner. Nope. There we go, fish on. He's fighting hard. I ain't seen him yet. There he is. Okay, this is the biggest creek chub we've caught so far, I think. Biggest creek chub so far. Yep. This is a Kayak. Fish on! Another striped shiner. I'm gonna try to catch a couple more guys and I think I'll call it. Alright guys, that's it for today. So just want to thank everybody for checking out the video. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. Please. It helps out a ton, it really does. I put some tags in the video of some of our fellow creek fishing friends. Please like and subscribe their channels as well. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for checking out the video.